Day trading is changing faster than ever before. That's why major trading platforms are investing heavily into AI trading tools. They want trading to become faster, smarter, and more automated, especially in crypto, where markets move 24 hours a day. Binance is one of the largest crypto trading platforms in the world. Today, it already offers automation tools, copy trading, and beginner-friendly trading bots. But the future could go much further. Imagine AI bots automatically adapting to market conditions, learning from mistakes, and helping users manage risk in real time. Bybit is becoming one of the most beginner-friendly platforms for AI-assisted trading. What makes it popular is simplicity. Users can launch trading bots directly inside the app. And in the future, these bots may become even more personalized. Your AI bot could eventually learn your trading style, whether you prefer aggressive traders or safer long-term strategies. TradingView is already one of the most powerful charting platforms in the world. Millions of traders use it to analyze market, but AI is changing technical analysis too. New AI indicators can already detect patterns, trends, and possible trading opportunities automatically. In the future, chart analysis could become almost fully AI assisted. Coinbase is often the first platform beginners use when entering crypto. And as AI tools become more common, platforms like Coinbase may focus on helping users avoid mistakes rather than simply trading faster. Future AI could act more like a financial assistant, not just a trading bot. The next generation of AI bots? Imagine AI detecting market panic before humans even react. Or instead of clicking buttons, you could simply say, open a Bitcoin trade, and AI handles everything else. The biggest change may be self-learning AI, bots that improve automatically, adapt to changing markets, and evolve faster than human traders. But remember, AI trading bots are still tools. They are not guaranteed money machines. Even the smartest AI can lose money in unpredictable markets. The future probably won't be AI replacing humans completely. It will be humans using AI smarter than everyone else. Thank you for watching.